Also, because we've had a delivery. We've had another delivery. It's so weird. So Logitech sent me, I think it's a keyboard that they've sent me. So we're gonna have a mouse and a keyboard, and a mouse pad. So it'll be all good. I have the full collective. But why does it deliver on Saturday? But thank you. It's big bucks. See, big bucks. Big bucks with Logitech on it. How good's that? Where did James put his... Oh, I was hoping that James would have his knife around. Damn. Well, I actually have to leave my... Oh my god. Give me a second. Give me a second. Now, I'm a professional unboxer, so don't try this at home. James has like a Stanley knife or whatever they're called. The ones that help open boxes and stuff. Anyway. Always cut away from you. See, professional unboxer right here. I mean, realistically, I shouldn't be using this knife. It's a very good knife. But we'll just get into it. There we are. See this. You know when that classic line where it's like, "That's not a knife. This is a knife." I don't know what happened to my. I used to have like a letter opener. It was kind of like a little sword thing that I used to use all the time for unboxing. It was so good. I feel like next time my chicken's going to taste like cardboard. This is not good. What? Just be careful with knives, all right? We're unboxing. Ooh. Ooh. It's a big box. Ooh, heavy keyboard. I don't know what I'm more excited about, the keyboard or the bubble wrap. How cool is this? Bubble wrap. Oh my gosh. You know how I get really stressed out whenever I play The Sims? I think we're going to be okay. I had a nightmare last night about Doki Doki. Oh, it wasn't about Doki Doki, but I just had a nightmare, and I think it brought it on. But anyway, so the beautiful people at Logitech sent, I think it's a G810 Orion Spectrum. So if you don't know, I updated my computer recently. All right, no judging on my pants, but see, it's RGB down there. All right, it's RGB. So we're gonna have RGB galore. What do you have dibs on? This is kind of the ASMR that you needed. Ooh. I wonder if this is going to be as clicky as mine. So this is the clickety clackety that's on my keyboard at the moment. I wonder if it's going to be louder. I don't think it would be. Just speaking of Doki Doki Literature Club. Hi. All right. Ooh. I do like... Oh. It's been like 2 years since I've updated my keyboard. Ooh. Ooh. What's up, Laura? Ooh. Do you know, sometimes the best thing about receiving, well, just like, even if you bought it for yourself, right? It's when you open it up and then you realize how beautiful it is, and then you're like, oh. Wait, let's listen to the clickety clack legends. Not quite there yet. Not quite there yet. Ooh, sturdy cable. Ooh. You've watched the previous streams because you were lost. Oh, nice, Tess. Well, are you still lost? Because I wouldn't be surprised if you are. Not much authentic, just unboxing my new keyboard that was given to me by the wonderful people at Logitech. They decided to hook me up with a new mouse, keyboard, and mouse pad. But the keyboard just came today. Last week we had the mouse and mouse pad. Oh, chat, you won't hear me. Look, listen to this. Okay, listen to this. Okay, and then listen to this. You go, okay. No one's gonna get angry at my loud keystrokes anymore. Ooh. Oh. Look at this. It's the second best part of unboxing. But yeah. Everyone have a good Saturday? You feel the same way about opening up a box of nugs? Oh. Damn. I'm going to look how... I can't wait to see how sexy this is. With its RGB lighting. Now, the tough part is... I'm going to have to get down and switch out my keyboard now. Your keyboard is loud with your nails? Well, get one of these. No. Well, look, every time I click, I can make a clacky sound if you miss it, okay? I can do that. I can do that. It's Friday for you, Tess? There's no... As if it's Friday. It's like... You can't be more than 20 hours behind me. It has to be Saturday for you. All right, chat. All right, let's plug in this bad boy, and... It's got a really long cable. All right, that's always good. R.I.P. old keyboard. You have served me well, but it is time for us to move on to bigger and better things, okay? Bigger and better things. All right. Oh, fireworks are going off. Because they're like, oh my gosh, Stu's got his new keyboard. Fireworks. Go. Technically, it's... Yeah, see? I knew you were lying. Alright, this isn't working. I don't want to show you my cable management. It is so bad. Like, so James and I got these new cabinets, right? And then... I don't know what I've done, but I seem to mess everything up. Look at the cable. The worst cable management ever. Sup, thanks for playing. We're going to be getting into The Sims in like 2 minutes. Don't worry. Get on in there. It's got lighting. Oh, chat. Oh, no, that's cool. See, the good thing about choosing one brand for everything is that it syncs up. See, they're all going the same color. Yes, we did it. Ooh, it's got like a little scroll wheel on it.